Most people think biology means thick books, hard diagrams, and memorizing strange words. You open a biology book and suddenly you see words like cells, enzymes, DNA, and evolution. It feels confusing, heavy, maybe even boring. But here's the truth. Biology is not about memorizing pages. Biology is about understanding life. Right now, your heart is beating. Your lungs are breathing. Millions of tiny cells are working silently to keep you alive. You're not thinking about it, but biology is happening every second. So today, let's break the confusion and answer one simple question. What is biology, really? Biology is the study of life. That's it. No complicated definition. If something is alive, biology studies it. If something was once alive, biology still studies it. From the smallest bacteria you cannot see to the largest animals on Earth. From plants growing quietly to humans thinking, learning, and dreaming. Life is the subject. Biology is the explanation. Biology studies all living organisms. Bacteria, plants, animals, humans. A tiny germ and a giant whale are both part of biology. The difference is size, not importance. Every living thing follows certain rules. Biology helps us discover those rules. Have you ever wondered, why do we breathe? Why does the heart beat non-stop? Why do cuts heal over time? Biology explains all of this. Your body is made of trillions of cells. Each cell has a job. These tiny cells are working together silently. They work together like a perfect system. Breathing brings oxygen. Blood carries nutrients. Cells use energy to keep you alive. This silent teamwork is biology in action. Nothing in life stays the same. A baby grows into an adult. A seed becomes a plant. Species change slowly over many generations. Biology explains growth, change, and evolution. Evolution is not about perfection. It is about survival. Those who adapt survive. Those who don't disappear. Living things don't exist alone. Plants need sunlight. Animals need food. Humans depend on nature. Biology explains how life and the environment are connected. Damage nature, and life suffers. Protect nature, and life continues. Everything is connected. Biology is not just a school subject. Doctors use biology to treat disease. Medicines are developed using biology. Food production depends on biology. Environmental protection depends on biology. Why food spoils. Why vaccines work. Why exercise keeps you healthy. Biology affects your life every day. So, what is biology? Biology is not memorization. Biology is understanding life. From bacteria to humans, from breathing to thinking, from birth to death. If it's alive, or once was alive, biology explains it. That's why biology is everywhere,